Okay, first drive of the Team Magic B8ER Special Edition. Freshly painted body, stock wheels and tyres, and we've got a 6S system in there, although we are only running 4S at the moment. I've got a not a HRB, a China Hobby line actually. I think it's an 8000 milliamp 4S, and it's a hard case, and it actually fits just underneath that body. It only just fits. You just got to be careful with your cable management, but it does fit in there. Oh, picked up a hitchhiker that's making a bit of noise. Get out of there. Oh. There's more than one. What's going on? Are we good now? That's what happens when you're trying to do running videos amongst tall grass and sticks and things like that. But I do want to show what the car sort of performs like on this type of terrain, because let's face it, a lot of people are going to be driving on this type of terrain, just your local parklands and things like that. Tyres seem to be really good. Heaps of power and speed out of this system, bearing in mind that this is a, let's call it a quick run system, right? It's a 2000 kV 4074 motor, 150 ampere C, like standard stuff, right? Like this is, it's not some Max 8 combo, it's not a Mamba Monster thing, it's just a basic 6S system. Nothing too extravagant. But I think I'm getting tired of all the sticks getting caught in the wheels and tyres. Let's take it on some jumps and scratch up that beautiful chassis. Okay, take one last look, because that's the last time this chassis is going to be this clean. It's going to get all scratched up now that we're about to go on some jumps. So let's see what this guy can do. Well, tracks well, good power. That was nasty. Not a great first jump. Oh god, mozzies, stop. Sorry, I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes. They have all gathered together today right here at this very spot to attack me. How pleasant. That was a better jump. Man, this thing, tell you what, tracks really well. Tyres are doing a wonderful job. Oh, jumps beautifully. That first jump was a bit of a mess, but I gotta say, this is doing really well. I'm really liking how this handles. Wow, man. Way to go, Team Magic, with the 1/8 scale. Oh my god, this thing is awesome to drive. Oh, this is going to be my favorite buggy, I think. This is awesome to drive. What a great car. Oh, hell yeah. These tyres, that suspension, I tell you what. Whew, it's got that whip in the air. Oh, there's a big rut there. Not made for buggies. Oh, I can't wait to do big sends with this. Rebound wheelie off a jump, why not? Wind is picking up though. Oh man, this thing drives amazing. The more I drive it, the more I fall in love with this car. This drives so well. Predictable, well balanced, good power. I mean, obviously that depends on what you put in it. This is not the ready to run power system, but I would assume it wouldn't be far off. It's just so well behaved. So predictable, so dialed. I haven't touched anything on this car. I have not touched anything on this car. Diffs, shocks, camber settings, all of that is pretty much stock out of the box. I haven't done anything. And look how it's driving. It is really, really good to drive. Like, a pleasure to drive this. Oh, you're so nice. Okay. Now for the big one. Mind you, like on 4S. Oh, that landed sideways a bit wrong. Hopefully no damage. Let's see how it's faring. I told you that chassis was going to go away. Look at that. All of that paintwork's like gone in 2 minutes. It is gone. No damage to report. Yeah, car's fine. Looked like a nasty hit, but maybe it wasn't as bad as it looked. It just lands so nice when it lands well. You know, it doesn't have the articulation of the longer arms like a truggy or a, you know, a monster truck. So when it does land bad, all of that translates to rollovers and things like that. I mean, that's just the nature of buggies. But even with the headwind that it's got at the moment, because the wind's coming from behind me, it's just taking it so well. It flies so well through the air, so well behaved. It's gripping so nicely with those tires. Whoops. And the diff tune is just perfect. I love, oh, again, it's just a little bit to the left. I should probably really whip that around a little bit more. I think there's a way to counter that. It's doing really good. This thing drives awesome. Ooh, one of my wheels coming unglued, or is it just a bit of dirt? Don't tell me I'm getting unglued tires on this one as well. I just had the Morocco end up with a tire that's come unglued. I love how this handles. I don't know if it's going to translate well on camera, but the handling of this car is, oh my god, the way it lands, the way it flies through the air, it's, oh, well done Team Magic. I've never had one of their 1/8 scales. Like, I've had several of their monster trucks, but I've never had one of their 1/8 scale buggies. This is the first one, and oh man, what an impression. It's just, I can't explain it. It's so nice to drive. It's so nice to drive on 4S like this with this power system. Super predictable, plenty of power to do whatever it is you want to do. Apart from, you know, mental backflips or something. Whoops. Oh, really? I gotta go fetch it all the way down there? Apart from mental backflips, I think it's got plenty of power as it is. Oh, now the wind's shifted. It's kind of coming straight on. But man, what a buggy. What a buggy. So impressed. So impressed. This is, oh, look at the chassis. It's like, oh, my paintwork is all gone. Oh yeah, no, look, we do have a tire that's come unglued. Yes, we do. Oh, well, I won't be able to run it on 6S today. I gotta start bringing glue to the field. This is ridiculous. So many companies have, oh, did I glue these? I can't remember if these came glued. Maybe it's my fault. I can't remember. I think they came already on the buggy. Oh look, this one's come off as well. So, alright, I gotta fix this, and we'll have to come back for the 6S run another time. But wow, what can I say? this buggy has definitely left a good impression on me, and I'm so happy to have it in my hands. And it looks fantastic. I love that pearl white that I did on it. I think it's worked really well for it. And yeah, I'm going to leave this one here. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.